Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, for today I shall regale you with a tale of fire, ingenuity, and a dash of clumsiness, the story of how the humble oven mitt came to be. Picture this. It's the dawn of the 18th century. Kitchens were the heart of the home, bustling with activity. The hearth, with its roaring fire, was both a source of warmth and the main cooking apparatus. It was a time when cooking wasn't just an art, but a survival skill. In a quaint village nestled in the rolling hills of England, there lived a blacksmith named Harold. Now, Harold was a burly man, known for his craftsmanship and his rather impressive collection of singed fingers. You see, Harold had a weakness: pie. Not just any pie, but the mouth-watering, golden-crusted marvels that his wife, Eleanor, baked. However, his impatience often led to burnt fingers as he tried to snatch the pies from the oven before they had cooled. Eleanor, a practical woman, had had enough of Harold's yelps and scorched digits. She decided to put her sewing skills to good use. Taking inspiration from the thick leather gloves Harold used in his blacksmithing, Eleanor fashioned a pair of padded gloves from layers of quilted fabric. These gloves were not only heat-resistant, but also flexible enough to handle the delicate task of pie retrieval. One fateful afternoon, Harold, tempted by the aroma of a freshly baked apple pie, reached into the oven with his bare hands, as was his usual folly. Eleanor, with a knowing smile, handed him the quilted gloves. Skeptical but desperate, Harold slid his hands into the gloves and reached for the pie. To his astonishment, he felt no searing pain, just the comforting warmth of the gloves protecting his hands. Word of Eleanor's invention spread through the village like wildfire. Soon, every household wanted a pair of these miraculous mitts. Local seamstresses began making their versions, each adding unique touches with embroidery and colorful fabrics. Thus, the oven mitt was born, not from a grand invention, but from a simple, practical solution to a common problem. As time marched on, the design of the oven mitt evolved. The Industrial Revolution brought about advances in materials and manufacturing, leading to the durable, heat-resistant mitts we know today. Silicone, neoprene, and other modern materials have enhanced their functionality, but the essence remains the same: a protector of hands, a guardian against burns. So next time you slip on an oven mitt to retrieve your perfectly baked cookies, remember Harold and Eleanor. Think of the ingenuity born from love and necessity, and how a simple act of care in a small village kitchen sparked an invention that continues to bring safety and comfort to kitchens around the world. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.